Welcome to today's Explainer. We're jumping right in today because we are unpacking a really fascinating framework straight from the rich logic. We are moving way past those generic run-of-the-mill finance tips. Instead, we're diving straight into the actual millionaire habits and wealth-building strategies that, well, actually work. Get ready because we are setting the stage for a total mindset shift. Okay, let's dive into this. Why do most people never become millionaires? We look around and we see people working incredibly hard, putting in 40, 50, literally 60-hour weeks for decades. And yet, that millionaire milestone, it remains a total mystery. It's a paradox, right? And it hooks you immediately. Because building wealth actually has surprisingly little to do with the physical hours you're grinding out and literally everything to do with the architecture of your paycheck. So you're basically looking at two fundamentally different paths here. On the left, we've got the reality for your average earner, spending their entire life trading time, energy, and skills for a paycheck. But here is the fatal flaw with that. The absolute second you stop working, the money stops flowing. True wealth, though, it shifts the paradigm entirely to making money work for you. Instead of treating cash as just a fleeting reward for your past labor, the rich logic challenges us to view it as a tool. Think of every single dollar as a tireless employee that is out there generating value for you 24 hours a day. Section 1, the trap of lifestyle creep. This brings us to a painful reality, a financial phenomenon often called Parkinson's law of money. Basically, as your income grows, your expenses inevitably grow even faster to match it. Think about it. You secure a big promotion, and suddenly your baseline for an acceptable living situation upgrades. The old apartment or those old frugal habits, they just aren't good enough anymore. So you're earning more, but you are capturing exactly the same amount of wealth. It's like being stuck on an exhausting financial treadmill where your actual net worth barely moves an inch. And this brilliantly illustrates exactly where that money goes. That hard-earned raise instantly evaporates into depreciating assets. We're talking the newest smartphone, designer luxury clothes, maybe a way bigger car payment. And we rationalize it. We tell ourselves we deserve these upgrades because we worked so hard. But the rich logic reveals a pretty brutal truth here. You are actively trading your future financial freedom for items that literally lose value the exact second you drive them off the lot or carry them out of the store. Section 2, the rich pivot. Thinking differently. Now, here is where we shift the tone and pivot to the solution. Millionaires completely reject that lifestyle creep trap. Instead, they funnel their capital into 3 specific, productive buckets: assets, skills, and opportunities. Instead of just letting their money gather dust in a checking account, or worse, sinking it into stuff that rapidly depreciates, they deploy it. That money buys income-producing real estate or broad index funds. It funds a high-return technical certification to boost their earning power, or maybe it capitalizes a brand new small business venture. So the crucial point is that the ultimate goal here is generating more income. The reason those 3 buckets matter so much is that they act as permanent engines of wealth. Unlike a new phone, the rich logic defines wealth not by what you consume, but by what you produce. You're building systems and acquiring skills that just print money entirely independently of your daily, hourly labor. It is all about shifting from being a consumer of assets to becoming a producer of value. Section 3, the catalyst for wealth. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is the mathematical engine behind all of this: compound growth. It is the great financial equalizer. You see, you do not need a massive trust fund or a Wall Street salary on day 1 to make this work. You just need absolute consistency and time. It's this wild mathematical phenomenon where your money earns money, and then those new earnings, they go to work themselves. Over decades, even modest, robotic little contributions inevitably snowball into an absolute avalanche of capital. Time is absolutely the secret, non-negotiable ingredient here. Section 4, the wealth-building formula. We all know the media absolutely loves an overnight success story, right? But the reality of building a millionaire net worth is grounded in 3 really unglamorous steps: discipline, patience, and smart habits. Millionaires are built, not born, through sheer discipline, that daily commitment to invest a portion of your paycheck before you even have the chance to spend it. Then there's the psychological endurance and patience to just let that compound growth work over decades without panicking every time the market dips. And finally, it's the daily, smart financial habit of relentlessly prioritizing assets over those fleeting luxuries. To wrap things up, we want to leave you with a really powerful, provocative mantra straight from the rich logic. Stop chasing money, start building wealth. Look, if you only chase a higher paycheck just to fund a lavish lifestyle, you are going to be trapped on that treadmill forever. But if you channel it into assets, you literally buy your freedom. So ask yourself, when your very next paycheck clears, are you going to use it to buy another depreciating luxury, or will you fundamentally change what you do and use it to buy your future? The logic is entirely up to you.